If your 2015 and newer F150 or Raptor is equipped with adaptive cruise control and you're thinking about picking up an aftermarket steel bumper, you're going to want to consider grabbing Addictive Desert Design's relocation bracket for your rig. Now the bracket itself is pretty simple by design, is made from durable CNC cut aluminum right here in the USA, and then is finished off in a satin black powder coat, all for right around $250. Now the install is going to involve a fair amount of work here, including removal of that front grille, so figure a very strong 1 out of 3 wrenches according to the site, and maybe an hour or so to complete from start to finish. Well, let's be honest here guys, this isn't going to be my longest video to date because this product isn't exactly that complicated. It's designed to do one thing and one thing only, and that is relocate your factory adaptive cruise control module from behind the front bumper to an area behind your front grille. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, plain and simple, if you're looking to swap out that factory front bumper in favor of an aftermarket option, whether it be from ADD, Barricade, Deviate, or someone else, you're going to need to relocate that factory sensor in order for things to operate properly. As you can see here, guys, the bracket does ship to you in a few different pieces, so minor assembly required. Bracket dimensions are going to be 10 inches by 6 inches overall, and it does come with all of the necessary hardware needed to move the sensor behind the grille area. Now the bracket has been made again here in the USA from lightweight aluminum, has been finished off in a textured satin black powder coat to help keep things a little bit more hidden behind the grille once installed. Now once you do get the bracket and module in place, some tweaking may be necessary. Basically, if the adaptive cruise control is not sensitive enough, if you're coming up on cars kind of hot without the system kicking in, then at that point you may need to loosen a bolt on the side of the bracket, angle that sensor down towards the ground ever so slightly. Now, if it's the opposite and things are a little too sensitive, then again, just do the opposite, angle it up a little bit more towards the sky. We're talking very, very small tweaks here, guys, maybe a millimeter or two at the time, nothing crazy. But as for the actual install of the bracket, well, again, the site is gonna stick to a strong 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter here, but I will say, guys, this might be one of those times where this install might be a bit trickier than what our scale indicates. Again, you do need to remove that front grille. There will be some light drilling involved, so basically if this thing takes you a little bit longer than that advertised 1 hour completion time, don't get totally discouraged. But if you are looking to swap bumpers, maybe add a light bar or a winch that would otherwise interfere with the factory sensor, you might want to check out this bracket from ADD right here at AmericanTrucks.com.